Why are there some people who can grow beautiful, healthy, long nails in no time, while the rest of us struggle with constant breakage and peeling? Today, I'm going to share my ultimate nail care routine to tackle all those common nail problems and help you achieve the stunning nails you've always dreamed of. Let's get started. Step 1. Shape your nails. First things first, let's start with shaping your nails. Choose a nail shape that complements your fingers. Whether you love a classic square or a chic almond shape, it's all about what suits you best. Grab a high-quality nail file and gently shape your nails, filing in one direction to avoid splits and breaks. A well-shaped nail not only looks cleaner but also helps prevent snags and breakage, giving your nails a solid foundation to grow stronger and healthier. Step 2. Rub lemon on your nails and cuticles. Grab a fresh lemon and slice it up. Rub the juicy side lightly onto your cuticles and nails, but just once or twice a week. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen and helps with discoloration. But too much can dry out your nails or irritate the skin, so don't overdo it. Let the lemon juice soak in for about 10 minutes, then rinse off and moisturize. This simple step can help brighten your nails and give them a fresh look. Step 3. Warm water with salt soak. Let's soften those cuticles and give your nails a soothing treat. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a tablespoon of salt. Soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently move your fingers while soaking. This helps boost blood flow, which supports nail growth. Just don't soak too often, as too much water can dry out your nails. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Step 4. Push back cuticles. After soaking, gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher or an orange stick. Be gentle. Never cut your cuticles, as that can lead to infections. This step gives your nails a neat look and helps them grow smoothly. Try to do this after soaking for the best results. Step 5. Exfoliate your nail. Now let's exfoliate. Mix a couple of tablespoons of salt with a splash of olive oil to make a gentle scrub. Massage this onto your nails and cuticles in circular motions. The salt removes dead skin while olive oil moisturizes and nourishes. Rinse off with warm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for clean, soft, healthy-looking nails. Step 6. Use a toothbrush. Mix a small amount of toothpaste with a bit of lemon juice. Using a soft toothbrush, gently scrub your nails in circles. This helps polish your nails and remove stains. But don't use this more than once a week, as it can weaken your nails if done too often. Step 7. Garlic treatment. Garlic may have a strong smell, but it's powerful for nail strength. Crush a few cloves into a paste and apply it to your nails. Garlic has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off. Avoid leaving it on for too long to prevent irritation. Step 8. Best night care for your nails. For the ultimate nail care, mix olive oil with lemon juice and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with soapy water. Step 9. Moisturization. Apply a generous amount of Vaseline to your nails and cuticles. Gently massage it in to boost circulation and lock in moisture. This step is key to preventing dryness and breakage. Do this every day and your nails will feel healthier and look better. What to avoid to keep your nails healthy and growing faster? 1. Biting your nails. It can damage the nail bed and slow growth. Try bitter nail polish to help break the habit. 2. Harsh chemicals. Always wear gloves when cleaning or using products to protect your nail. 3. Too much nail polish remover, especially those with acetone. They dry out your nails. Choose acetone-free removers instead. 4. Not staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Dehydrated nails are more likely to break. And there you have it, blossoms. Follow these tips and you'll notice your nails becoming stronger and growing faster in just a few days. Consistency is the secret. Stick to this routine and enjoy your beautiful nails. And if you're so done with expensive skincare, so watch this video for free and simple Korean DIY for clear skin naturally.